Miss Kriti, please tell us about yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Kirtika and I am from Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu. And I have completed my 10th standard at Oxford Metric Higher Secondary School with 97 percentage and my 12th standard at Sishya Metric Higher Secondary School by securing 90.3 percentage. And I have completed my bachelor's in chemistry at Auxilium College, Vellore, securing 80.3 percentage. And currently I'm pursuing my master's in chemistry at NITK, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, with my current CGPA of 9.49. And my interest or like I was school topper in my 10th standard and I was class representative in my bachelor's, and those qualities like leadership qualities and sir, I'm little stuck.
No problem. You're right only. You say my leadership
Yeah.
qualities will be of use for me in my role as a probationary officer.
Yeah. Then I
Okay.
have completed my internship.
Hmm.
Yes.
Tell me.
I completed my internship at IIT Hyderabad by working under nanoparticles, which gave me exposure to research and collaborative to work under collaborative environment. And then I have also did a part-time job at Learn As You Go, where I helped students to solve their doubts and solutions, providing solutions for them. And also now currently I'm teaching international students at Tutor Waves, and also I'm a private tutoring class 12 students. So I know about like well
No,
about
no,
teaching and
no, but these things do not go well. For example, you don't have to tell more about research because you are coming for a banking job. Don't tell more about research and all. And
okay, so
tell slightly about your present role. Don't tell about 12 plus 2 students teaching at home. That are you teaching now also plus 2 students?
like not like home, sir.
Hmm.
Online.
Online you are teaching. If you are really doing that, you tell about that, and that will be. Don't talk too much about your research unless they ask. Sometimes only they will ask you
Okay,
about research.
sure.
Because when you say as if you are a proud scientist, they will say, why do you have to come here? Understand? To the
Okay,
bank.
got it, sir.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what it is. Please tell me which bank you are having account.
State Bank of India, sir.
Yeah. Now, who is the chairman of State Bank of India?
Srinivasalu Reddy
Shetty.
Shetty.
Yeah. So what is the difference between SBI and our bank?
SBI is a public sector bank and Federal Bank is a private sector bank.
Acha, good. Now, um, what do you think banks are doing nowadays for uplifting the economy?
For uplifting the economy, basically they are providing loans so that like many startups develop, so that that contributes directly to the economy of the country. And also they are providing a lot of digital platforms which makes people very easy and like complete their process very easily. That will also save a lot of people's time, and also that directly contributes growth of the country. And they also like promote mutual funds and insurance, those things which helps people to grow professionally, and also overall growth of the economy. It helps.
You can also add that banks help people to save money,
Okay,
and
so
banks invest those monies in loans, which creates whatever point you have said is correct. That way,
okay, so
that can be told. Good, very good. So now, um, banking and insurance, of these two, which is more important for our country?
for our country, banking is important, so
Why?
because banking like it helps every single individual irrespective of their financial status, it helps to grow. But for insurance, there are like very specific people, those who are actually interested, so banking will support every single individual in the country. So I think banking is better than insurance.
But my suggestion will be both are important, will be a better option
Okay.
because banking helps improving the economy. Insurance, it helps the individuals, companies from not being affected on account of losses.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That way you can argue and tell. Good. Do you know about the Bombay Stock Exchange? What is it?
Bombay Stock Exchange, it is basically like stock market, like the hub where we will get to know all the information about stock of all the enterprises over there. So it tells about overall stock of all companies like that.
What is a demat account?
Dematerialized account.
What is it?
It basically helps to securely, like electronically store and share the funds electronically.
No, no. Dematerialized account is an account where we can use for buying and selling shares, and they are all maintained in dematerialized form, that is in electronic format. Please get to
Okay, so
know who
buy
is
and
the chairman of Bombay Stock Exchange. You should also say Bombay Stock Exchange. Through that only people buy and sell shares through the brokers.
okay, sir.
Brokers help purchase shares and sell shares in Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. That's what it is. Oh, that is through demat
Okay,
account. Okay,
okay, okay, sir.
good. Who is Thiruvannamalai collector now?
Um,
Thiruvannamalai collector. Doesn't matter. Now, please
mm,
tell me, you were not there at that time. There were some landslides that took place.
yes.
Can you tell about what you heard about it?
So basically, this happened near the foothill of Tiruvannamalai, like main Arunachaleshwar, that like that hill. So basically, this is a place where people were living, but it is actually illegal to live in the foothill of that particular place. But people didn't know, they didn't have any precaution that these kind of landslide will happen because this never happened in history. That was the first time it happened. Like people were inside the home and suddenly it happened. Like it killed 7 people from the same house, like couple and their neighbor kids, like 3 kids and their own kids.
It's
So it
yeah,
was a huge thing for the cloud.
good, very good. Can you tell me some names of your Tamil Nadu ministers?
Yes, sir. Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin, who was youth and sports minister, and Poya Modi, who was education minister, school education minister, and Ponmudi, who was higher education minister, and finance minister, Tennarasu, and
Hmm. Okay,
M like
sufficient. You are telling was and all that, not required. You should say yes, Udayanidhi Stalin is,
okay, sorry, sir.
and there
Yes.
is no need for using who also in between.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so that's right. So, what are the good qualities in Kritika that we should take her for this job?
First of all, I'm really kind-hearted, and also I have really good communication skill where I can easily talk with people, like normal people. Even though they have any problem, I can able to communicate properly. That is like my major strength, I would say. And also I could able to clearly explain what is exactly the bank will provide you, and I will get to know. I'm a good listener, so that I will listen the problem of my clients or customers, so that I can provide my solutions. Even if I don't know, I don't even hesitate to ask my fellow employees. Even I will ask them, or else my
Please,
higher
who, who
authority.
is who is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank?
KVS Murthy, so
Huh?
KVS Money.
Hmm. Who are the executive directors?
Yeah, Shalini Warrior and Harsh Dugar.
Good. Now, what is the total business of our bank as on 30th September?
4.99 lakh crore.
Now, what is a financial year?
Q3 currently.
No, no. What is financial year? Period
Yeah.
starting from what and ending with what?
Starting from
First
April,
April.
ending,
First
yeah,
April.
1st April
First,
and 31st March,
first
ending
April to 31st March.
March. Okay.
Good. Now, income tax exemption is given up to how many? How much rupees under the new regime?
I'm not
Income
sure,
tax
sir.
income tax exemption under section 87A is given up to rupees 7 lakhs. Up to rupees 7
Okay,
lakhs
sir.
income, no income tax. Do you follow?
Yes, sir, yes, I'm noting it.
Yeah. Now, supposing you are not getting selected in this job, what is your second option?
Sir, first of all, I don't have second option because I took a high risk without applying for my own like coaching center and all. Like I think I'm giving my best. I hope that I will get selected. Even if I don't get selected, I will again appear for this federal bank next year.
Supposing you get selected, how do you imagine yourself after 5 years from now?
I will become a manager in federal banks, sir, by having official like authority, and I will be very professional in my, and I will improve the growth of the bank
What
very
you said?
efficiently.
You said professional. What is professional?
Professional is something people or anyone should have to maintain um,
That I mean, you can say to learn the way what bankers have to behave with their customers and conduct themselves. To empathize with the customers and perform so that their needs are satisfied.
okay.
Good. Now, who is your role model other than relatives?
First of all, I don't have absolute role model. My role model will change like according to periods. Like I will like inspire from like different qualities from different people. So I don't have an absolute role model.
This is a very vague answer. You are not a person who can decide things properly. You should be
Okay.
able to tell somebody's name because this is a routine
Okay.
question. Be ready with inf- one information. Maybe a person of your choice, maybe a sportsman or a politician or a businesswoman, whatever it is. Select that, or
Okay, sir.
it can be your own professor, it can be your own teacher.
Okay.
It should be, you should prefer something definite and then tell. Okay,
Okay.
very good. Now,
Yeah, sure, sir.
can you tell me the names of four private sector banks having headquarters in Kerala?
Federal Bank and
South Indian Bank, Catholic
I'm not
Syrian
sure, sir.
Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank. Catholic Syrian Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank, South Indian Bank, they have headquarters in Trichur. And Federal
Okay.
Bank has it in Aluva.
Okay.
Who is the governor of Kerala now?
Governor of Kerala, like recently, you.
Please update yourself with such things. Because about
Yes.
Kerala, they will ask. About Tamil Nadu, they will ask. What is the controversy in Tamil Nadu Assembly recently?
Like yesterday, when like Tamil anthem, like state anthem played, the governor suggested to play national anthem right after that. But according to our culture, it will be always played at the end of any event. So governor walked away from the assembly. So it was a big
Ex-
controversy right now.
Excellent. Best wishes. You told nicely. I wish you all the best. Please go through newspaper thoroughly or at least snippets from 1st January. Update yourself. Get to know some details about Karnataka also. How many districts are there in Karnataka?
Karnataka, no, sir, I'm not sure.
Why, ma? You must know about Karnataka
Because they got
and
Tamil
Tamil
Nadu.
Nadu. Now, in fact, one candidate asked me, "Sir, I am from Karnataka, appearing interview in Chennai. Bank
Oh,
is some other bank. Should I know about all the three states? Better get to know about three
okay.
states, important points, at least number of districts, um, then a few ministers' name, governor, chief minister. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Best wishes. You did well. I wish you success. I wish you should
Thank
get
you.
easy questions. And please attend your interviews tomorrow or today.
Yes, sir, tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow, please attend with confidence and
Yeah, sure, sir.
go with a smile always on your face.
Okay, sir.
I wish you success. Please send me the questions they are asking you. Okay.
Sure, sure, sir.
I'm sure you will succeed. Depends on because you have taken more efforts than other children. So automatically you must be rewarded for that. Best wishes.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.